In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation bar in FlutterFlow. To get started, open FlutterFlow and go into your project. This is where you'll configure the navigation bar at the project level before attaching it to individual pages. Starting here is important because the navbar needs a shared setup that can be reused across multiple screens. Once you're inside the project, head over to Settings and Integrations using the gear icon in the left side menu. From there, open General and then go to Navbar and App Bar. This is the main area where FlutterFlow lets you control how your app's navigation bar behaves and how it looks. Inside that section, turn on the navbar setting. As soon as you enable it, FlutterFlow will expect you to define which pages belong in that navigation bar. In other words, you're not just switching on a visual element, you're also creating the structure users will tap through when moving around your app. Stay in the navbar and app bar settings and locate the navbar section. Here, add at least 2 pages to the navigation bar. A navbar is meant to help users move between key sections of your app, so having multiple destinations is essential for it to make sense. For each page item you add, fill in the label, choose an icon from the navbar icon picker, and set the icon size. Try to keep labels short and clear so they're easy to read at a glance. When picking icons, use symbols that naturally match the purpose of each page. Keeping icon sizes consistent also helps the interface look polished and balanced. Next, look for the navbar style options. FlutterFlow gives you a few choices, including Flutter Default, Google Nav, and Floating Navbar. Each one has a slightly different design and animation style, so choose the one that best fits the experience you want your app to have. If your app is more standard and simple, the default style may work well. If you want something a bit more modern or visually distinct, one of the other options may be a better fit. After that, open one of your pages in the UI builder. Click the root scaffold widget or simply click empty space on the canvas so the page properties are selected. Then, in the right-hand properties panel, turn on Show Nav Bar. This step is what makes the navigation bar actually appear on that page. Finally, repeat that same Show Nav Bar toggle for every page that should share this navigation bar. Once that's done, your selected pages will all use the same bottom navigation setup, giving your app a more consistent and user-friendly navigation experience.